Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. This is S. Naveen Kumar, your computer science teacher from Bharadasar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now we are going to see in 12th standard computer application subject. In this subject, chapter number 2, an introduction to Adobe PageMaker. In this session we are going to see the part 2. In this part 2, very simple, how will you open a Adobe PageMaker? Yes, and how will you create a new document? Yes, through practically. Yeah. Now I recall the previous session. What is the DTP and what are the concepts comes under the Adobe PageMaker and how will you install a Adobe PageMaker? This can be discussed in previous session. But now I can explain. Now we are going to see how to open a PageMaker. Okay, in Windows 7 operating system, we can follow the following steps. It's a very simple steps. Yes. Start all programs. And then you can click Adobe. After you can click PageMaker 7.0 option. This is the simple procedure to open a PageMaker window. Are you clear, children?
Now we are going to see how will you open a Adobe PageMaker. Yes, in search box, this is the search button. You can click the search button. Here you can type Adobe, A-D-O-B-E, Adobe. Here Adobe PageMaker 7.0 application shortcut will be appear on a screen. You click on this shortcut, Adobe PageMaker window will be appeared. In this Adobe PageMaker, you can close it. This is the default Adobe PageMaker window will be opened.
Now we are going to see how will you create a new document in Adobe PageMaker. It is a very simple procedure to create a new document. We can use the menu bar. Where it is present? In the Adobe PageMaker window. Below the title bar, we have a menu bar. You can use the menu bar. In that first menu, what is that? File menu. We can use a file menu. File and new. This new options come from the sub menu, or we can use a shortcut key. What is that shortcut key? Control plus N. Control and as well as N. We can use this method to create a new document. Are you clear?
After we are going to create a new document, what do you do? Yes, you have a menu bar. This is the menu bar. What are the menus available here? File, edit, layout, type, element, utilities, view, window, help. Now you can use a file menu. What is the usage of file menu? We want to create a new document. You can click the file. A pop-up window will be appear on a screen. This is the pop-up window or this is the pop-up menu. You can click new option or you can use a shortcut Control plus N. What happen? A document setup dialog box will be appear on a screen. What is the usage of document setup dialog box will be appeared? In this document setup dialog box, you can select the page size, that is paper size. For example, if you want to prepare a textbook, you can use a A4 and default the dimension should be changed based upon the paper size. The dimension should be changed. Yes, suppose I click B5, the dimension 6.929, 9.824 and I want to click a A4 8.26. Based upon the paper size, the dimensions should be changed. and then you can set a margins of inside and top margin, outside margin. That is the default. That is enough. Yes, and click OK. In this is the what? This is the new document will be appear on a screen. Are you clear, children? Next, what is the usage of this new document? We want to insert a image or a type of content. You can create a design of a book, textbook. We can create this. Are you clear, children?
We have attached the study material for your reference. You can go through that study material, you can thorough it, and then you can evaluate your answers with the help of this self-assessment question paper. What is the purpose that should be attached in the below description? We can evaluate yourself. Okay. Now I recap this session. What are the concepts we have discussed today, children? Very simple. How to open a Adobe PageMaker. How will you open Adobe PageMaker in Windows 7 option? Very simple. Start all programs, Adobe and PageMaker 7.0. Suppose if you are using Windows 10, simply you can type in a search box Adobe PageMaker, that should be clicked. Yes. And how to create a new document? Very simple procedure. We are using a menu, file menu bar. File, new option, or you can use a shortcut key Ctrl+N. Thank you for active listening, my dear students. We will see in the next session.